how to find and see all your interactions history on Facebook PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to facebook.com. This is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click here, click settings and privacy, click activity log, and now all what you have to do, go right here and click on interactions. And right here, as you can see, you will find all your interactions easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end.